SW blend. Blends are two consonants that work together to make one sound. The letters S and W are chilling at the beach. S is sailing in a boat and says S. When S comes to sit by W on the beach, the two letters say SW. Try saying SW. Like swim. Sound it out with me. Swim. Swim. And swan. Let's sound it out. Swan. Swan. S says S. W says W. Together, they say SW. Practice saying SW.